Okay, so this is the first step to changing my diet plan. And it's not necessarily a diet, it's a lifestyle. It's what I'm choosing to ingest. So, we're cleaning out the cabinets. And boy, the kids are happy about helping. So yes, I'm just going to pull everything out. I'm going to throw things away that no longer serve us. And I'm going to refill this with healthy, nutritious choices.
She's making us do it.
Yes, they're super happy about it.
No, we're not.
It needs to be cleaned anyway, so that's what we're doing today.
We still need the
I will give you an
glue.
update once I show you what I'm going to leave in here, because there are some good choices in there. And there's some choices that the kids are allowed to have, like that ridiculous amount of gum right there. But otherwise, we'll be seeing a lot different things in this cabinet later today. So, yay.
Bucket.
What do you think about this, Rio? Good, okay. What about you, Ellie?
Glue.
Yes, we certainly need glue in our cabinet. Okay, bye.